Hi, I'm Brent. You're watching Steam Culture. Welcome, or welcome back if you've been watching for a while. You know, back in February, we did an episode on how to kill weeds with steam, becoming a very popular technique because it's gentle. No chemicals, no herbicides, no pesticides, and takes care of the problem for people that are organic farmers or very sensitive to how much chemical that they're using. Well, there's another element to this, not just the weed. How about the soil that the weed and the plant grow in? Well, you can treat that soil with steam. Now, soil over time gets these spores and bacteria in it, different things that affect, obviously, the quality of soil, but obviously affect, what kind of yield you're going to get. So what they'll do is they'll steam the soil. A couple different ways you can do that, as you see from the pictures. One is this carpet-looking thing that they drag down the rows and it lays the steam down on top. Another one is this spike-looking job that puts the steam a couple inches into the soil. There's also something called sheet steaming, where a literal sheet, a large bag is placed over a large surface area, inject the steam, you leave it there for a couple of hours, and it really penetrates the soil and kills all the bacteria and the spores and really revitalizes the soil with nutrients and things like that. Well, new technology we just found called the Flow Steamer. Love that name. It's going to be in a hip-hop video. Just watch, trust me. And it's a large box with an agitator in it and steam connections. Steam goes in, agitate the soil, it goes in there, gets rid of all the spores and nasties, and then you can use it. I believe this is popular with greenhouses and things like that, but steam technology is being used to not only kill weeds, but also to reinvigorate the soil and get rid of all the nasties. So again, very popular with people that don't like chemicals in organic food sources. So thanks for watching us this week. You can go out and Google soil steaming, steam weed cleaning, steam soil cleaning, all those things, and you'll get all kinds of hits. We'll put some links down below for you. Before you go Googling that though, you got to Google us because we have stuff like this for you each and every week. Go watch some Boiling Points, learn about getting smarter in the steam industry. I will see you next week.